Here we are going to explain about the revenue share offers, or in short rev share offers in affiliate marketing. Also, we'll show you how to set up this kind of offer in the Offer18 dashboard. Sometimes advertisers give percentage payout to the affiliate instead of a fixed amount on each conversion. Means advertisers share some percentage of their revenue to the affiliate. This amount can be direct payout or percentage of sale amount. Let's discuss how to set up both types of campaign in the Offer18 with an example. Suppose the advertiser is giving you $30 for one conversion if it comes from the age group of 18 to 45 years and $50 for above 45 years age group. To set up Go on Offer, create an offer by adding campaign name, selecting advertiser, URL, and other details as per given by your advertiser, and select the advertiser model CPA where fill this value in the advertiser value. Because whatever payout your advertiser will fire in the postback, that will be your revenue, and in affiliate model you need to select CPA plus CPS, and here fill the percentage value that you want to give your affiliate from the revenue received from your advertiser. Let's suppose it is 30%. Then select the currency and click on Submit. Your offer will be created. Now share your postback with your advertiser by going to Other and add a payout parameter. Your advertiser will fire a payout to you the postback as per recorded conversion type at their end. Suppose your advertiser is firing $50 in the postback. Now if you'll check the Fire Advertiser postback logs, you'll see the $50 in the payout parameter of the postback. While checking the conversion logs, you'll check the same amount is recorded in the revenue and its 30% pass in the payout of the affiliate. In the second case, the advertiser will pass you the sale amount of the conversion and give you some percentage as your revenue. In this case, you need to select CPS model in the advertiser model as well as affiliate model and fill the percentage which your advertiser gives you per conversion. Suppose your advertiser is giving you 20% per sale. Here you can fill the percentage value that you want to give your affiliate. Let's suppose it is 15%. Now after submitting, you need to share the postback to the advertiser by adding a sale parameter in the postback. Suppose your advertiser has fired $1,000 in the sale parameter of the postback. So you can check this in the advertiser postback logs, then the conversion logs to see what is recorded in the revenue and what is passed in the affiliate payout. Here in this case you can see 20% of $1,000, that is $200 is recorded as revenue of the conversion, and 15%, that is $150 in the affiliate payout.